Hey everyone. Um, this is a presentation regarding a new feature, or it even can be considered a new venture, where a business could improve customer experience with specialized agents through WhatsApp Business API. So we'll be leveraging specialized AI agents to enhance customer experience through an API. Um, and the just giving first like an overview of WhatsApp and the product. It achieved the 2 billion active users 2020 with 50 plus million businesses using it as part of Meta's ecosystem. So developing this API would tap into this existing user base. Um, and the product is typically like that. You have like for a typical business, right? You have like this interface, sort of like admin side here, where you interact, chat with a customer. Um, And the opportunities are huge. You see this, especially because businesses struggle with 24/7 support, with real-time engagement. A survey by Hiver revealed that after just one negative experience with a company, 72% of customers would switch to another company, 52 would dissuade friends, and even 36%, that's like caught me as a surprise for me, would also share negative experience via social media or websites. The AI-powered automation is still underutilized. According to this other survey, found this is quite recent as well. Around the 50% of companies utilize AI tools like chatbots to enhance customer experience, indicating a significant shift towards automation, but still like on its way to roughly half of like the businesses are using AI powered automation in agents. Not even considering specialized agents here. Uh, so the customer expectations demand very intelligent responses on a 24/7 basis, like a lack of personalization, chatbots, lack of contextual awareness. Also justified this article here. And this is a big monetization opportunity, right? Meta still capitalizing on AI-powered interactions and is significantly investing in messaging to be. It's their investments in messaging is starting to pay off. So WhatsApp, it's growing. This is a growing source of revenue within Meta. That's why I think developing an API to plug into WhatsApp um, should already justify like investments into this endeavor. So here you have like on the right hand side of the screen, looking at the screen, you have this chart on industries adoption of AI agents. Some highlights here: Furious Electronics, financial services, telecom, software and tech, also retail. Um, but this is quite fresh, but increasing adoption. That's the message here. So what's new here? I have this video that would demo this API that I coded. But just giving you an overview, share an overview of it. It's a multi-agent system. You will assign the best agent to the customer, depending on the query. Here we have like, for instance, like sales support, customer support, or tech support, for instance. It will be integrated with an LLM, could be Llama models, could be any LLM of your choice for intelligent responses. Highly flexible hybrid policy system, considering RAG and some code rules, customizable to every business model tailoring. Um, this API will have like also this admin page that could be tailored to every WhatsApp business customer. It's seamless WhatsApp integration, right? It will work via the WhatsApp API, enabling businesses to automate conversations instantly. This is like a ChatGPT style infographic. Here you would have like on this side here of the graphs of the illustration, you see like that businesses would insert their policies to the system, and also will be like customizable, as I said, like a sales, tech support, could be like customer support policies, and the multi-agent system would orchestrate also from this prompt engineered instructions that would interface here on the right-hand side, looking at the screen, um, with basically businesses, consumer businesses, customers, right? Consumers in general. They would interact with more specialized and aware of their problems, chatbots interacting with them. This is like a quick competitive landscape. Why choose a WhatsApp API? Especially because of these like features this criteria that I outlined here on the left hand side, right? The multi-agent system. We have enterprise AI integration, personalization via user data, um, policy based AI decisions, global reach and adoption. Also seamless business API support, and advanced NLP for conversations. Yeah, basically what you have here for WhatsApp compared to Telegram bots, WeChat AI, and Apple Business Chat. Um, this could be later on cascaded from WhatsApp API to this other across this other platforms here. But it's makes it this analysis the conclusion of it's almost like a no-brainer, given in should begin with WhatsApp, given all these advantages compared to competition. So here's like a quick roadmap breakdown to the MVP. The first quarter, 0 to 3 months, lay out the groundwork based on the AI-powered agent support for businesses. We will implement LLM-powered AI assistants, a hybrid policy system, structured conversation handling, basic personalization, and seamless API access. The outcomes will be like customers would reduce operational costs, um, with the AI handling frequently asked with FAQ being handled by AI, improve the response times and in higher engagement or from customers. Um, in the second phase, we would do like advanced AI powered workflows, which is the key focus will be enhance AI autonomy with more complex workflows and automation. So multi-turn conversations, proactive AI assistance, dynamic policy adaptation, cross-channel context awareness, and fine-tuned industry-specific AI models with agents optimized for specific verticals. So the outcomes will be like increased adoption um, among businesses, WhatsApp transitioning from a communication tool to a business enablement platform using our API, and improve the monetization by enabling the premium AI features for businesses. And the last phase will be like a whole complete transformation of through this API to fully autonomous AI business assistant, um, where we would implement autonomous AI agents, automated transactions, and workflows, predictive AI optimization, analyzing customer behavior, adapting messaging strategies to increase sales, multi-agent collaboration, working together seamlessly, transferring queries without loss of context, deep CRM, and in the ability to integrate with the entire Meta ecosystem, syncing with ads, shops, fully connected customer experiences. And with Llama being open source, sorry for chopping all over from Zach. I had a problem here. Custom Llama assistants for enterprises, where businesses could fine-tune their own AI models through Llama, integrated into our API. So we would increase AI adoption, would transition from a communication to also a business enablement platform, and also improve the monetization, enabling premium features for businesses. Segmentation of the market and the go-to-market strategy will be crucial to focus on industry with significant investments in social media, marketing, and high propensity for AI adoption. So retail commerce, financial services, healthcare, technology, and to a little bit lesser extent, travel and hospitality. This is the overall architecture of the system. It's like a core RAG, retrieval augmented generation, where the policies would be included through these documents into the systems. Then those big text files will be chunked into smaller pieces of text to generate embeddings. And these embeddings will feed embeddings will be basically like in the vector space, and these embeddings will feed into a vector database that, with prompt engineering, uh, prompting would translate it into prompt embeddings, would also be stored here in the vector database. Then you will feed to the LLM the most relevant passages for this context, like a combination of the prompt and the context to the LLM, to then give back to the user very timely and contextual awareness sensitive responses. This is the basic breakdown of the project. If, how the code base is like sort of like structured into several agents. That is like you have here customer support, a sales agent, a tech support agent. that will be orchestrated through the agent factory script here. And yeah, and this is like an overview of the architecture. Of course, for considering drifts in not only context but uh, data drifts, we could for the system we could update not only the prompt engineering part here, the highlighted in green, um, because basically from a data drift it would come out of like this prompt query from the user, right? Um, so we could iterate with this the entire system the update. You would iterate an update like the policies should be relevant on the businesses. This like on the API itself, it would be flexible. So to every customer, they will uh, self feed these information. With the customer, we will with the user, we will update basically the prompt embeddings uh, updated in prompt engineering practices here. And in the future, we'll be even updating the LLM weights through fine tuning, right? If necessary. Also, the system will be monitored on the responses and the way customers interface with it. Also, sharing feedback for the chats that are stored in the databases. They're created here to store everything. Um, and basically monitor the system through a separated dashboard. Yeah, and that's a wrap. Let's bring specialization